Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency on Binance. So for you to be able to change currency on Binance, you have to open the Binance app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap out the Binance icon, you tap on it, then you tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. Once you do that, then you scroll a little, then tap on currency. It is up here. In fact, it's among the second option. Tap on currency. So from here you can select the currency you wish to use for flat price calculation. So from here, actually mine is set as USD. So if you want something different, you can simply choose from the list of this currency that we have right here, and choose from it, and choose from the list of currency that we have. You can see that's it. This is GBP, this is AUD, this is Euro, and this is USDT. So that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.